So in my last video, I focused on customizing the Phoenix Sun Air Force One. I'll have that video in the description and above on the screen if you missed it. Now in this video, I'm going to focus on customizing the Milwaukee Bucks shoe. I plan on going through the same phase as the previous custom video, but a little bit more detail. If you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe as well as turn on post notifications. Thank you for all your support so far, and I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to start this custom off by grabbing a few colors and mixing them together. And these colors are champagne, cream, green, and olive. Once we have all our colors mixed, we're going to apply our tan mixture to our swoosh panels and the toe box. We want to use about 2 or 3 coats to get a solid color saturation, depending on the color. One important step that I didn't include on camera is prepping the shoe with acetone. This strips the factory finish and allows you to apply a new layer of paint without any future cracking. Next step, we want to airbrush the tongue and the sock liner of the shoe black. Now that we've mixed our paint, applied our tan base coat, and airbrushed our sock liner, we can move on to phase 2 of this custom. Going into phase 2, we want to now apply our Milwaukee Buck green to the remaining panels on the shoe. We want to use about 2 or 3 coats to get a solid color saturation, depending on the color. We want to make sure to apply solid coats and dry the layers of paint in between coats to secure that smooth color density. For this step, I tried to apply a dark green shadow to create some depth, but I soon realized it made the custom a tad bit muddy, so I went back to the original color. I just wanted to show this part as part of my creative process. Now for the final and most interesting phase is applying the stencils and putting down the last coat of paint with the airbrush. Once the custom is complete, we can apply a gloss finisher to protect the paint and the stencil art on the shoe. You don't have to use a gloss finisher, but I like my customs to have a little shine to them. So there you have it, a Milwaukee Bucks custom. I'll give this custom a slight advantage over the Phoenix Sun colorway with a 9 out of 10. I love its simplicity and the design is direct and to the point. If you enjoy this video, drop a like and rate the custom on a scale of 1 to 10. Tell me one thing you like about it and tell me one thing you don't like about it. Also, subscribe. It's free and it really helps the growth of the channel. Once again, I want to say thanks for watching. I enjoy doing these customs on YouTube and just on my personal time. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.